Camouflage, yes or no?
I don't know.
Stay tuned.
Hey, welcome back everybody. We're here again with our Cruise 101 tip series, and today we're going to talk about tips 41 through 50.
We're getting halfway there almost.
Yeah, just about halfway there. Before we get started though, if you enjoy these videos, please hit that subscribe button, hit the bell for notifications. Remember, at 1,000 subscribers, we have a fantastic giveaway. That bag behind us up there is going to be filled with a bunch of stuff, including a DJI Osmo Pocket camera.
I want one. We're going to get one too.
Yeah, we are. So, without further ado, Kimberly is going to start with number 41.
41! Here we go. 41. Cheat sheet. Sorry. Do not flush anything down the toilet. Except toilet paper.
I thought you were going to say don't flush anything down the toilet. That'd be hard to do.
Don't. Let's do number 41 again. I almost forgot to say except for toilet paper.
Yeah, super sensitive. The
Very.
toilets on a ship are very sensitive to anything other than just the ship-provided TP.
TP.
That's right.
So, TP down the toilet. That's it.
That's it.
Okay.
So, number 42. You know, these are things that we probably should not have to say, quite honestly.
But we are going to.
But we're going to because we've seen it happen.
Exactly.
Do not touch food in the buffet with your bare hands.
I can't believe people do that. But if there is not a tong or something provided, please, there are people behind that can go and get you something.
Yeah, just ask, but please don't touch the food with your bare hands.
Well, the whole goal is not to get people sick, and you're in enclosed space on a ship out in the middle of the ocean, and people getting sick and having
terrible time.
Yeah.
That would suck.
Or, it's spreading throughout the whole ship. That's no bueno.
So just don't do it. If you want to see a fantastic video, go to Don's Family Vacations. He did a whole video about him and another gentleman that was touching food with his hands.
Exactly.
It's funny.
Well, it's not.
Yeah, let's not touch the food.
Yes. Okay, number
right.
43. Do not enter anywhere where it says crew only. Not that we have to say it, but just as a reminder, we can't even be curious. We're not supposed to go back there.
No.
So don't go into any place that says crew only.
It's where they keep the bodies.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, don't. No, because it's not that any normal person would do that, but people have a little bit to drink and they...
No, yeah. This
they
says crew only. That's not you.
They think it's funny.
Unless you're a crew member and watching, then go ahead.
Then you can go. Head on back.
Number 44.
Number 44. So do not throw anything overboard.
Oh, please.
Including yourself, just like this idiot.
Oh my god. Holy
I can't believe we have to say these things, but people actually, I don't know what comes over people.
Don't do what that guy did. If you're not familiar with that video, that was a guy on Royal Caribbean earlier this year.
Yeah.
Who, with his drunk buddies,
thought it would be
cool to jump off the balcony of his 11th floor. I think he was on the 11 stories high.
Yes.
And for that, obviously they got kicked off the ship and banned
for life
from Royal Caribbean. So
yes.
just don't do that. Don't throw anything overboard, because if you get caught throwing something overboard, you can actually be asked to leave the ship. You can be arrested.
No.
Any of those things can happen, so everything's got to stay on board. Keep the oceans clean.
Number 45. This is my teaser. Do you wear camo or don't you wear camo? Well, don't wear camouflage in the Caribbean. Don't do it.
No, you can't do it.
Actually, I brought a pair of shorts with me, camouflage shorts. We were on our Breeze cruise, which was a 14-day cruise, and we were actually going to Barbados. And they tell you on the speaker that you cannot wear camouflage in Barbados. Now, I'm sure there are some countries you can wear camouflage, but to play it safe, just don't wear camouflage in the Caribbean.
No, don't. And the reason they don't want you wearing camouflage in the Caribbean is because in a lot of Caribbean, or Caribbean, for those of you who
Yes.
pronounce it that way, the military wears, camouflage like ours do, but they wear it all the time. So you don't want to be confused for a, military person.
No
versus
t-shirts,
civilian.
no shorts, no pants, nothing.
Yep, you can be fined
Yes, so don't do it.
for doing it. So no camo in the caro.
Okay. That was a stretch.
I just made that up. Nope. This could be the name of a song.
No camo in the caro. All right. Yeah, I could hear the steel drums going in the back of my. Okay, I hear it.
That's
I
right.
hear it. Look at my head bobbing. Da, 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 da. Okay.
All right. Number 46. Do not bring an iron on the cruise ship.
Yeah, it stinks because your stuff gets wrinkled in the luggage no matter what you do.
Yep, but you can't bring an iron because it's a
Yeah.
fire hazard on the ship. If for those of you who've cruised before, you probably know you've got the option. They will press your clothes for you, or all cruise ships have a room where they'll
Yes.
have irons. It's completely safe, so that if you need to iron your clothes, you can do that. But you cannot bring like a little portable iron. You can't bring a steamer, anything like that that could potentially be a fire hazard on the ship.
That's okay. I don't iron at home anyway. I send it to the dry cleaner, so I'm not going to iron on vacation. Brad might, but I won't.
No, I don't iron either. Seriously, when we get on the ship, we send all the clothes to the to get pressed when they get there, if they come out of the suitcase. So if they're wrinkled. So you're
Number
next.
47. Do not wait by the elevator or exits on debarkation day. It is, we've talked about this before, it's a total bottleneck. So wait in your area where you've been assigned to. You should get that information in your cabin at least a day, maybe 2 days before debarkation. I can't remember.
I think it's the night before.
Is the night before. It will tell you where you can go and wait and to be called to be allowed to
Yeah,
get off
just-
the ship.
Don't wait by the exits or by the
Everybody
elevators.
does.
It's just
And
it makes
it's
it
crazy.
so much harder to get off the
Crazy.
ship. The last time we were trying to get off the ship, it was nuts. People were everywhere.
You
so.
couldn't move. You're trying to get off the elevator and you can't even get out of the elevator. It was
So,
insanity.
Just wait in your designated area till they call your group, and then it's easy peasy. You're off the ship pretty quickly. So, all right. So number 48. Again, this is one of those things that's going to help prevent the spread of bacteria and illness on the ship.
Yes.
Is try to avoid touching the public restroom handles with your hands, and that means not just coming out, but actually going in. And now on a lot of cruise ships, actually all of the last ones that we've been on, they're providing tissue or little towels outside the doors when
Yeah.
you're going in, so you can just reach down, pull it, and you can open the door handle with the towel to get into the bathroom as well as get out of the bathroom. So
Good tip.
It's
Always
I'll-
be in mind of those nasty germs
yeah,
on
because
a cruise ship.
unfortunately, not everybody will wash their hands
Well,
when they're done
let's-
using the restroom.
let's just assume that everybody does. Just don't
So-
touch the handle.
Just don't touch. Try to avoid it at all these. And obviously, another tip that's actually we didn't even cover, just real quick, and this is kind of a add-on. Use that hand sanitizer.
Oh, yeah.
That's all over the ship. They've got sanitizer. They got hand tanitizer.
The tannicizer.
The tannicizers all over the ship. Hand sanitizing stuff all over the ship. So use that whenever you
Yeah.
can as well.
It's
So,
available, and I'm sure you'll bring some with you too. So.
Yep. Next.
Number 49. Put something on your cabin door so you can recognize it.
Yeah.
Right.
So you can help you identify it on one of those nights when you're coming in a little.
Like, oh my God, it's a long hallway. Which one's ours?
Right, you're a little wobbly. Maybe you've had a few adult beverages.
We're never that bad. But you can't get turned around.
But we have seen people that bad.
We have. You can get turned around quite often. Like when you get off the elevator, usually there's like two sides to go to.
Are you speaking for yourself?
Yeah. Sometimes. Yes. Sometimes I can't remember if I go left or right. And this is like in the first few days. But yeah, it's always good to have something on the door because they usually just go all the way around anyway.
Yeah, so just put something, if it's just something simple, so you can quickly recognize your door, which is a great segue into our
number
50, our final.
50.
Yeah, the final tip for this episode: decorate your door.
Oh,
We do it.
Love it.
we do it. As a matter of fact, I've got a little bit of a prop right here. This is a sneak preview, y'all.
Sneak preview.
Sneak preview. So
oh, here it comes.
we're going on a Halloween cruise.
Yes.
On Princess, and when we do cruise, we always put like a midlife crazy sign and some stuff on our doors so people can,
This is exciting.
look at our YouTube channel and do some business cards. So for Halloween, I thought, well, I'm going to take our logo and design a Halloween logo for our sign that we're going to put on the door.
Are you going to show them the logo?
I'm going to show. Sorry. So this is. Hopefully it's. Whoops. There we go. Hopefully it's focused in. I'm trying to look at the viewfinder there to see it. Oh, there we go. It's focused in now. So that is going to be our sign that'll be on our door.
Nice. And Brad worked hard on that, so I really appreciate that
So-
that you did that.
Right. You're a witch.
I'm a witch. I'm Glinda the Good Witch.
Does that look like Glinda the Good Witch to you?
That's okay. I'm the Good Witch.
So anyway, that is 41 through 50. We are trucking along through this series. I can't believe it.
Yes, we are.
I can't believe it. So stay tuned because 51 through 60 will be out in just a couple days after this.
Exactly. And don't forget, like, subscribe. We're heading to that 1,000 subscriber mark sooner than we ever thought we would.
Yeah, it's really
so
been, it's
please
been really
share,
picking up.
like, subscribe. We got something on my eye.
An eyeball.
Check out our Facebook, our Instagram, our Twitter account.
And our Teespring account for merchandise.
Yes, and a shout out to Rob and Favor. Hey, Rob, thanks so much for wearing the T-shirt we sent you on Friday Night Live.
Yeah.
was awesome.
Rob had our. It was awesome. So appreciate that, Rob. Thanks for the free promo.
Yeah.
All right.
Shameless. What do you call it?
Shameless promotion.
Yay!
Shameless promotion. So, anyway, I am
Done.
done. I'm Brad.
Future Brad editing. I hope you get it all in.
I think I'm gonna just leave that in.
Yeah, maybe.
So,
Future you.
That's future me.
And future Kimberly, stop your eyes watering. Okay, there we go. Okay.
I'm Brad.
I'm Kimberly, and we're midlife. I'm going to say it. Okay, go ahead. Say, I'm Brad.
I'm Brad.
I'm Kimberly, and we're midlife crazy. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.